Hey guys, VP here doing an unboxing of the Bowers and Wilkins P5 mobile hi-fi headset. Let's have a little look on the back. These are made of steel, aluminum and New Zealand sheep leather. So cut that open there. And there. I had a pair of Beats by Dre Executives, but I returned those. Figured I'd get something a bit more high class after watching quite a few reviews. Open up. I'm doing this one-handed. One second. Look at that. A leverish material showing the beautiful headset. Pressed aluminum, leather out on the outside. That's actually embossed, so it's coming up out of the metal. So it's rough to run your finger over. That is nice. What accessories do we get with this? Oh wow. That's nice. That is really nice. High quality. Bowers and Wilkins. Microfiber material on the inside. Okay. Turn the light on because it just got darker. Booklet, warranty information. Cable. And I think it's a 3.5, 6.5. It's a 1/4 inch adapter. Cool. Now let's get back into the headset. Lovely. Really soft premium leather. Oh wait. Another cable. What's that extra cable for? There's a cable attached to it. Oh, I don't know. Okay. This is what they look like on someone. Enjoy, guys. So, on the inside of the booklet, I should open it up. Second cable is if you want to have a cable with that inline remote. There you go. See you guys.